Good morning, first grade, or good evening, whenever you are tuning in to do your grammar work. Welcome back. Today is Tuesday, and we are going to continue practicing pronouns today. Pronouns. You watched a video yesterday and sent Miss Gates a list of 5 pronouns. Pronouns are words we can use to take the place of a noun. Pronouns are a lot of your sight words, so you should be familiar with many of these words. As you can see in the blue bubble or cloud, pronouns are she, my, I, they, him, you, her, we, he, me, it. You should know most of these words because these have been our sight words all year. And now we're going to learn how we can use them correctly when we write in our sentences. So, for example, instead of saying Mrs. Griffith, that might be someone's teacher, you can just say she. Instead of saying dad, you can say he. Instead of saying children, you can say they. Instead of saying cat, you can say it. Instead of saying teachers, I can say we. Instead of saying mom, we can say her. Instead of saying boy, we can say him. Instead of saying grandma, we can say she. So let's try this in our grammar workbook today, our Being a Writer workbook. You should be on page, Miss Gates is going to go there, 55, page 55. Stop the video now if you need to go get your grammar workbook. It's blue and purple. If not, you'll be on the page that says Showtime. And on the top, it's going to say read each sentence, circle the pronoun. So you're looking for a word like one of the words in this bubble. So let's try number 1 together. I like to dance. Well, we know like is not a pronoun, we know to is not a pronoun, and we know dance is a verb. So our pronoun in this sentence is I. I'm going to circle it. Pause the video now and do number 2 and 3 all by yourself. Great job. I'm going to erase my answer like I always do so that I can move to the bottom and help you with part B. Make sure you keep your answer so you can send Miss Gates a picture of your hard work. At the bottom, it says, oh, I covered up the directions. Draw a line from each pronoun to its matching picture. So we're going to look at the pronouns they, she, he, and it. And we're going to decide which picture matches. So if we're talking about they, we're talking about more than one person. They are singing and playing their instruments. So look at these pictures over here. Which picture has more than one person? Ooh, I see the people in the mariachi band. They are singing and playing their instruments. So I'm going to draw a line. Now I want you to find the picture of a she, draw a line, a picture of a he, and draw a line, and a picture of an it. And it is something that's usually not a person. It might be a thing or an animal. Pause the video now and finish section B. When you're finished, start it again for part C. Excellent work. Let's finish this grammar page today by doing part C together. It says write a sentence about one of the pictures on this page. Use he, she, they, or it. So all we're going to do is we're going to look at one of these pictures. You can choose any one you like, and you're going to write a sentence about it. But you have to use one of the pronouns. So I'm going to write a sentence about, I'm going to write a sentence about this girl. So this girl is a she. I'm going to write my sentence down here. So I'm going to say, she is dancing. Capital S. You know how to spell she. H-E. She is. And then we can sound out dancing in our best first grade spelling. D. An. You know, is A-N. Sing. Kind of sounds like an S, but it's actually a C. And then ing. Does anyone remember how to add ing to a word? You got it. I-N-G. And how does the sentence end? Very good, with a period. And I can go back and underline my pronoun so that Miss Gates knows I use the pronoun instead of using this girl's name because we don't know her name. We just know she's a girl, so we can say she. Great job today. When you finish,